Welcome to Propel. Haven't sent a pitch in Outlook yet? I'm Lily, and today let's walk through how to do that quickly and efficiently using Propel. First, open Outlook and click New Email to start composing a new email. Next, click the Propel icon in the Add-ins section and click Open Sidebar. Now to track your pitch, connect your email to the relevant pitching initiative by selecting it in the sidebar. This step is important for automatic tracking. After that, it's time to choose your journalists. You can select your media contacts by clicking This Media List, or manually type the email addresses of the journalists you want to send the pitch to. Now go ahead and write your pitch as usual. But when it's time to send, don't use the regular Outlook Send button. Instead, use the dedicated Send buttons in the Propel sidebar. Select Single Send when sending to a single contact. But when sending to multiple journalists, choose the Mail Merge option. This allows you to send individual emails to each recipient. Want to schedule your pitch? No problem. You can schedule both individual and Mail Merge emails using the Schedule button under Single Send or Mail Merge. And with Propel's Pitch Booster feature, you can even schedule emails to go out at the best possible time for each journalist. Looking to personalize your emails? Use Propel's Personalized AI Intro feature and generate drafts for each journalist mentioning their most recent article or industry topics in Propel. Learn how to generate personalized AI intros in the linked video. To personalize emails on your own? It's easy, just follow the steps for Mail Merge, but instead of sending, select Generate Drafts. Propel will create individual drafts for each journalist in your drafts folder, giving you the opportunity to fine-tune each pitch before sending. And that's it. For more tips and tutorials, check out this playlist here or contact support. Thanks for watching!